If we want to export this layout design and import it to another device or site, at first go to productlayouts.com. Hover Demo option. We can export any layouts. For example, I export general layouts. Choose a style and download. A JSON file has been downloaded. If we import this file, then the layout style is setting automatically. Now we import this file. Go to Shortcode list in Product Layouts. Click this Import button. Browse File and select Downloaded JSON file and click Open. Click Import Layout. Successfully export our layouts. The product image on the website layout and our product image are different, so the product image on the layout looks different. We can export this file in two other ways. First way is back to Shortcode list. Locate your saved designed layouts and click the Export button. And import the file like we did before. The second way is to open the existing layout or design a new one. Go to Action and click Export. A JSON file has been downloaded. Click Import button in Action option, Browse File, and select Downloaded JSON file and click Open. Click Import Layout. The layout has been successfully imported. Now we change shortcode name, set a name and update. Thanks for watching this video.